pajamas. It had my address on both sides. Amanda, your address is already online. You know who probably already has it. JP? No, that other one. Probably. Are you scared? No. I'm not scared. I got my pajamas. I got some Halloween clearance pajamas. Hopefully they fit because they didn't have women, so I try to get men's. Oh my gosh, they look like they're freaking fuzzy. I just put laundry in and I still have to be going to take them up to the laundry because I only have the washer that works. The dryer part don't work. My grandma gave that to me and it only freaking half works, the washer. So hopefully these ones will fit. Oh my gosh, they're actually pretty cozy. Oh, they look like they were. What's it say? It says, under disguise. I can wear these for a costume. But I couldn't pause it. See if they fit. I guess I can go over there. Duh! They look short. Oh, they're stuck together. And let's see if it fits. I guess I can put it on top of this. I do gotta take my rent up there too. I gotta break the check out. Oh, it's gonna fit. What's that say? Say glow in the dark? Glows in the dark! Yeah, it glows in the dark! Oh, it's gonna fit. It's medium for men. I wasn't sure it's gonna fit. It does. I'm not sure how well it'll fit over these leggings. Oh, they're little baggies, so they're gonna fit. I'm gonna wear these to Walmart. Oh, the JCPenney's where I got it. Did I say Kohl's? I did look at Kohl's though. There was only one thing at Kohl's I seen. I couldn't find anything else. It was kind of like a candy dish, like a felt candy dish of a cat. I couldn't find anything else. Oh, I cannot get over my butt. Oh god. Ha ha ha. Hold on, I gotta seal the deal. I gotta seal the deal. Spooky, scary skeletons send shivers down your spine. For nevermore. I don't know the rest. To be or not to be? That is the question. How am I see that on Billy Madison? Who says that? I don't know. Oh, Bubba knows. He's telling you. Who says it, Bubba? Who says it? Oh, okay. Billy Madison. I think you're right. Or you can do the black one. Matches my soul. We're not gonna milk these. These are staying up year round because I'm addicted to skeletons. Someone call me weird for that, even though Ozzy Osbourne probably likes stuff like that. No, it wasn't JP. Yeah. Ow! nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. That means I'm meow in Japanese, by the way. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna freaking go and yeah, I'm gonna eat lunch and then I'm gonna go and bring my laundry and my rent check up to the main building. But here it is. Can't see the whole thing. Here, I'll jump. I can't. I can't jump. Oh, there it is. There's the whole thing. Oh, I need socks. I do have socks, I think. I don't remember. I collect freaking cool socks. These are just cat socks. I had these a long time, but yeah. There they are. Yeah. Okay, bye. I'm weird. At least I show my face. I'm like someone we know. Alright, bye. Yeah. Bye. Oh my gosh, she's 38 years old and she's going, yeah. I don't give a fuck. This is actually really cute. I could wear this out. Nobody would know it's pajamas. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm hungry. Alright, bye. You hear that? My clothes is done. Bye.